Now we're going to estimate square roots. To estimate square roots, what I want to do first is get the square roots of these perfect squares. Perfect squares are numbers. When I take the square root, I get an integer, or I get a whole number. For example, square root of 49 would be 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 64, square root of 64 would be 8. 8 times 8 is 64. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually plot that on this number line I've made, and that's going to help us find these. So what I have is I'm going to plot 7 right here, and then I'm going to plot 8 right here. Now, the reason that I have this number line is so we can place both of these. Square root of 49 is 7. So this point right here is also the square root of 49. And this square root of 64 is also that same point on the number line. So if I'm going to come over here and I'm going to place this square root of 52. The square root of 52 is probably somewhere between the square root of 49 and 64. I would say it's probably in this general area right there. I would say that's the square root of 52 right there. So if I was looking at my numbers that I'm used to seeing, my integers here, it would fall somewhere pretty close to 7. So this could be something like 7.2. At the very least, you could say the square root of 52 is between 7 and 8. But by looking at how close the number is to 49, we're going to assume it's a lot closer to 7. We're also going to look at this 60. If I was to place the square root of 60, it would fall about here. So if this over here was 7.2, this looks like it could be about 7.8. So I would say this is about 7.8. But again, at the very least, you should see that it falls somewhere between 7 and 8. And again, these are just estimates. These are just estimates.